Hi everybody, so in this DIY I'm going to show you how to make this choker out of a filigree template. Now I made other videos before and they'll be in the video section under DIY crafts in the playlist. So if you're seeing this on my Facebook, please don't forget to click the follow and please like. So what I did was I used this filigree. So how are you going to make this? I use this filigree template. Now I have many different shapes and sizes, and you'll see that when you look at my videos, but I painted this and all I used was black nail polish. That's it, just black nail polish. Now you can get you can get metal paint or metallic type of paints in any color you want. If you want silver or copper, because I had these in brass and I had a lot. It's a 120 piece set and you get quite a bit of each shape. And I really like this set because it's nice and big and it comes with a lot of different pieces. Unfortunately, it's just you can only get this set in brass. So if you want other colors, it's easy. You just paint it. And like I said, you can use nail polish and you could either let some of the metal show through or you can just do it that way. You can do a shiny or a flat, and this dried really super quick. So what I did was I took my filigree template, I took my black nail polish and I painted it all. I went over it a while. Now you'll probably want to do the back as well, so either do the back first and then wait for it to dry and then flip it over and do the front. So once that's dry, you're going to want to glue some of these acrylic gemstones. I like the red against the black, but you could use anything you want, any color you want. This is what I chose. And you can get these acrylic gemstones in any craft store. I got these at Hobby Lobby. They come in different sizes and different colors. And you also can get the ones that come in different shapes as well. But I just got the round ones in different sizes and different colors. Okay, so the other thing you'll need for this project besides this and this is you're going to need some of this rhinestone ribbon. And I've had this for many other craft projects. Now, most of you know I was on YouTube and I transferred all my YouTube videos onto a USB stick. So I'm going to be adding my older ones little by little of all my DIYs. So if you're looking for that, every single DIY I ever did will be up eventually, and I'll always try to pin my newest ones to the top. Okay, so what I did was I waited for this to dry. I waited for the template to dry. Then I took my acrylic gemstones, they're just plastic, and E6000 glue. So you're going to need some filigree templates, some nail polish of your color. You're going to need some rhinestone ribbon of your color, some acrylic gemstones. You're going to need 2 toothpicks, some E6000 jewelry glue, and a needle and thread. Okay, now I'm going to tell you why. So once I waited for this to dry and I waited for the gemstones to dry off, you might want to do that last, but I did that first not knowing what I was going to do. Originally this was going to be on a chain, but I decided on a choker. So then I got this, and I'm not sure if you can see this, but see how it's netted and it has like threads between it. So once I cut my size, I got a needle and thread, and I used black thread, and I just weaved it in and out, made sure it was in the middle. I measured it out, and then I just weaved it in and out and to the back. So you want to do it a neat way so that it's not all messy. Like, see how this side is all messy? I have to go in and fix that, but I couldn't mess with it because I didn't want to mess with one of my acrylic gemstones. So you want to do it tight and neat and just basically go up and under and over and through the loops in the rhinestone ribbon. And I got this rhinestone ribbon at Hobby Lobby, but you can get this anywhere in different colors. And I have a lot of them. And when I have time and I put up all the rest of my tutorial videos, you will see all my videos with that. Okay. So once you've got that sewn and knotted so it's not going anywhere, you want to put crimp ends. Now all I had left was this. Now you don't want to use a short one. You're going to want to use a long one to cover the whole thing. And I would have preferred silver, but I've had these for a long time, and this is only for me, so I didn't really care what it looked like in the back because my hair, I have long hair, I have a lot of it, and you're not going to see this. But you may have short hair, you may want to make this to sell or give as a gift, or give it as a gift, and you want it to look nice and professional. So make sure when you get these crimp ends, they're the longer ones, okay? Not the little short ones. And this is how they come. Say this was a longer one. It comes with a chain, and then it has a little teardrop charm at the end. Okay, that's the extender because everybody's neck is different. So you may have a thin neck or you may have a fatter neck. And if you're selling them, you want them to have the choice. Then on this end is a little loop in the slide crimp, and then a jump ring, and then your clasp. Okay, and you want this to be at an even, you want to make sure that everything's even. You want to make sure that these threads are nice and neat and tight, like on that side, not the other side. And then that's it. That's how it should look when it's all done. And it doesn't take that long. The longest part of this whole craft is waiting for this to dry. So then your last step would obviously be gluing your acrylic gemstones, okay? And that's easy. You would take a toothpick and just a little tiny bit of E6000 glue and put it on the spots that you want. Take your tweezers, place your gemstone, and then push down with your finger and get it in place. And when you're all done, you want to take a clean toothpick and kind of wipe away the little webs of glue. And then to clean these, to give these a nice shine, get a Q-tip with a little rubbing alcohol, squeeze the Q-tip to get the excess alcohol out of there, and then just gently go over them. But make sure that's when this is all dry. I would do that the next day. This way you can take off your fingerprints and any dirt or glue that you might have got on your gemstones. So that's it. It's really simple. It's really easy. I really like the way it looks on, and I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is what it looks like on, and you can adjust it if you don't like the way it sits. You can loosen it up, you can tighten it. And that's just one of the ways you can wear it. You certainly don't have to wear it as a choker. You could take this piece and attach it to a chain. You could do anything you want with that piece, but I wanted to turn it into a choker. And what I might do later is I might add some chain and some drop down beads, and that's it. And that's what it will look like. So I hope you like this quick, fast, easy, and affordable craft. Don't forget to check that link for the filigree templates, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.